In this video, we will take a look at a utility bill and investigate all of the information it tells us. First of all, we want to know what kWh means. We see the kWh next to some of the numbers on this bill. kWh stands for kilowatt hour or kilowatts multiplied by hours. Is this a unit of energy or power? Well, it's a unit of energy since on the bill we are told that our energy charge is for 271 kilowatt hours. How much does this customer pay for each kilowatt hour used? This information we will find directly on the bill. The customer is paying roughly 11 cents per kilowatt hour or 0.110847. What is a therm? A therm is 100,000 BTUs or British thermal units. 100,000 BTUs is the same energy as burning 100 cubic feet of natural gas. Now let's go through a few more calculations related to this energy bill. If a 60-watt light bulb is left on for an entire day, how much energy did it use in kilowatt hours? Kilowatt hours is essentially the number of kilowatts used multiplied by the number of hours they were used over. We can first convert 60 watts into kilowatts by moving the decimal point 3 places to the left. That means 60 watts is equal to 0.06 kilowatts. Since this light bulb is left on for an entire day, we can multiply this by the number of hours it is on, which is 24 hours. Therefore, the energy used by leaving the 60-watt light bulb on for 24 hours is 1.44 kilowatt hours. The last thing we want to find is how much would it cost the customer to leave this light bulb on for 24 hours. We can find the cost by multiplying the kilowatt hours by the cost per kilowatt hour. Therefore, 1.44 kilowatt hours multiplied by 0.110847, or 11 cents, tells us that the cost is about 16 cents to leave the light bulb on for 24 hours. This concludes our 3-part discussion on energy.